Did we turn the oven off?
No.
Did I take a second round of cupcakes out of the oven?
No.
Did the timer go off?
I don't know. Should we check?
Please hold.
Oh, you got this. Well, I will hold.
Oh.
Timer not go off?
There's 5 seconds left on that timer.
There she goes.
There she blows. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it'd be really fun to do an in-home. I can't speak. I don't know how to socialize anymore. Quarantines made me go crazy. I thought it would be great to do an in-home baking challenge, and for that challenge we have a special guest appearance from my brother.
Hello everyone. I'm Paul.
You don't need to know his name.
Yeah.
Okay, just kidding. This is Paul. This is one of my favorite humans on the planet. But one of our favorite all-time shows is Nailed It. So we are gonna kind of recreate a first round of Nailed It. Why do you keep groaning?
I don't know. This is very awkward for me, everyone. I don't know what I'm doing.
He's
Ignore
making.
me.
Can you hear that? Today, we're gonna recreate a first round of Nailed It challenge. So we're gonna take cupcakes and we're gonna decorate them to look like these little monsters right here. We're each gonna pick one of the monsters that we like best. I'll show you guys which ones that we picked, and then it is our job to recreate them, and it is your guys' job to vote who you think decorates their cupcake better. It's game on, sir.
Challenge accepted. Bless your soul. I got this in the bag.
We've already baked the cupcakes. They're ready to go. We did red velvet because it's one of my top 2 favorite cupcakes. Same?
Yes, I love red velvet.
Okay.
Yes.
With that, let's get started.
Let's go.
You're so awkward.
I know.
The cupcakes are ready to go. We each have 2. I chose the multicolored 3-eyed monster.
I chose the blue monster with many eyes. I don't know how many, but many eyes, yes.
The first step is on one of the cupcakes, we remove the top half. Like the bulbous part. Bulbous. Such a funny word. Bulbous.
Oh no.
Oh,
Butter knives
no.
are not for
Oh
this.
no. I should have given us a sharper knife for this situation. Alright. So we remove this part. I'm gonna taste test this. I don't think we need it.
Oh, that's crooked.
We spread some frosting on this bottom part of it.
Oh, I think this needs to be.
Sir, that's so much. You just need to.
Sorry.
Also, by the way, it's buttercream inside of this bowl. Just some plain old buttercream. So then you have this, and then you stick this full cupcake on top. I believe they probably should have been about the same size, but apparently the widths of mine are very different. That's okay. Okay. We frost the sides and top with buttercream. Okay. It is so hot, I'm sweating.
No.
Does making cupcakes count as exercise?
Don't judge me.
This hairdo looks like okay from the front, and then like from the side it looked like George Washington, but it's okay. Hear ye, hear ye. Dirty frosty cupcakes. That sounded dirty.
Frosty cupcake. I don't know what that accent was either.
George Washington accent.
don't think that was right, but it's okay.
I'm gonna say your dirty frosting layer is very thick.
I know. But she's dirty. So.
Like, maybe you want to thin that out. She's dirty, huh?
Mm-hmm. It's not thick, nobody wants it.
What?
The children will understand that joke. Alright, these should go in the freezer now, right?
Okay, we're putting these in the freezer and taking a breather because someone is out of control.
Mix.
Mixing time. Mixing time. So while our cupcakes are in the freezer, we are going to mix the colors that we need for the frosting, for the decorating part. So I have green and orange.
Blue.
I'm sure wearing white during this is not ideal. How many drops do you think we need to put in this?
I'm gonna try 4 first.
Okay, I'll also do 4.
That looks like guacamole.
Okay.
Mine is good. Mine is good.
Das ist gut.
Yeah. The Germans.
What? Put it in the bag.
I got hot sauce in my bag. Swag.
But that's nothing close to hot sauce.
I know. I got
That's-
sweet sauce in my bag. Swag.
I'm related to that, which actually makes a lot of sense, but it's terrifying. What do you think happens in the blast freezer?
Just like a quick chill, you know? But it don't freeze. It's like almost frozen, but it's not frozen.
Quick chill sounds like my dating life. So initially we were deciding if we should have a time limit on this, like they do in Are you trying to learn the Beyonce TikTok dance right now?
No.
Oh, you're doing Savage. If we should have a time limit on this, and then we came to the consensus that is much too stressful. The Jones family.
It's not hard to keep up with the Joneses, honestly.
We're very slow people. That's my green.
Where's my chips?
Okay, that's my orange. Do you want to show your blue?
There you go. That's my blue.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I'm gonna go check on our cupcakes in the freezer, and then we will come back and get started on decorating. So we are back. We have chilled our cupcakes, and we are ready to decorate them.
Yes.
Are you well?
Yes.
Okay, and then to fill your piping bag, if you have not seen this trick before, my friend Emily showed this to me and it is life-changing. So you put the piping bag over a glass. I'm gonna start with my orange frosting. And you just put the frosting in.
Here we go. It's happening. It's happening.
It's happening.
What's happening?
I didn't pick the right frosting tip. Oh God. This is terrible.
You should. Oh, what is happening with my frosting? It's like slitting down the middle.
Can you change frosting tips after you've put the frosting in there? Probably not, huh?
Nailed it.
This is not well, and there is definitely a stoppage in my tip because it's not even coming out correctly.
I know, what is happening with these tips, man?
I think it's the frosting. There's definitely user error. It's coming out all wonky sauce. Like, what is that? That is not how it should be coming out. No, this is too much for me to eat. Ah!
Oh no, I messed up a little bit. He's looking kind of good right now.
We're gonna try a different tip. Ah!
It started off so well.
I really did have faith in us. I should have known better. But like, how are you supposed to know what each tip does? Like, how am I supposed to know that this is gonna turn out looking like grass?
Oh, guacamole grass.
This really does look like terrible guacamole.
I'm telling
We're gonna try and switch off between colors now. Double fisting it with pipe bags. Oh, I just got frosting all over my pants. Ah!
Man, you are struggling. With a capital S.
How are you almost done? What happened?
I think whatever was holding it in
Okay.
just shot out.
No one else is going to be eating these, so please don't judge me, but like something's definitely stuck in the end of my, it's just sugar, but. No! Oh!
Ew. Yes. It looks like a snake.
I got the sugar stoppage.
Oh no.
How do you like keep these like? Did it come out?
Mm-hmm.
Ew! Close. Why are you chewing the frosting?
It's just balls of powdered sugar.
For the record,
still
he made the
clogged.
frosting.
That is true.
Things are not looking great.
Oh no. Oh no.
Don't get it on the carpet.
I didn't. I saved it.
We are a disaster.
Oh god. Why is the frosting coming out up there?
You have to hold it correctly.
I don't know how to hold the bag.
You don't know how to hold the bag?
No.
Do you need
anyone
help?
else lick their elbow?
Not. Why are you looking at like a weird cat?
No.
Can I lick my elbow? No.
Oops.
I am very sweaty. I'm very, very sweaty, and this is going very, very terribly.
Oh, look at my hands now. Oh no.
It's gonna be much more green than orange because my orange tip is just terrible. No matter how much I suck on it, it's just not happening.
Oh dear, man.
This is not a sanitary cupcake by any means,
Absolutely not.
especially in these pandemic times. It's not even coming out anymore. What's happened here? Okay, we are making progress. So we are pretty much finished. So I'm gonna hide these and then we will show you the grand reveal, and you guys are gonna have to vote on who did better. I think I already know the answer, but you know what? Phil is a character. He's unique. Don't judge someone on their appearance.
Let's have a look on the inside.
We don't know how the inside is either based on our frosting, so. So this is what we were trying to make. And this is what we did make. between Phil and
Tyrannosaurus Blue.
so it is up to you guys to vote and decide who won between us. I think it was obviously me.
Yes. Do you see how much character?
Wow, you're
He
really
has-
hyping up Phil. You have blue frosting on your nose and on your chin.
And on my hands.
I think I just have it on my pants. I somehow don't have it on my white shirt. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below. And don't forget to comment who you think won. Thanks. Bye, guys.
I blew him out of the literal water. Yes, you know it.
Bye. Bye.